Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install Topaz Video AI on Windows. All right, let's begin. To get started, open Google or any browser of your choice and type in Topaz AI in the search bar. Once the results load, look for the official website of Topaz Labs. It should be one of the top links. Click on it to access their homepage. On the homepage, you'll see a dashboard showcasing professional-grade photo and video tools powered by AI. To begin the download process, look at the top right corner of the page and click on the person icon. From this page, select the Downloads option. You'll now be taken to the Downloads page, where you can install the latest or previous versions of various Topaz tools. As you scroll down, you'll notice a few different product options. But since we're specifically looking for Topaz AI for image and video enhancement, scroll back up to the top. Here, you'll find two download buttons, one for Windows and one for Mac. Choose the version that matches your operating system. In my case, I'm using Windows, so I'll click on the Windows option. Then, select a download location on your computer and hit Save to begin the download. Once the file is downloaded, open it to start the installation. Just follow the on-screen steps, click Next, agree to the terms, and continue through the setup until it starts installing. After installation is complete, launch the application. You'll see an interface where you can drag and drop any image or video to begin enhancing its quality using the power of Topaz AI. And that's it. So that's basically how you can install Topaz Video AI on Windows. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.